Hello everyone. So some more you can say shortcut or the symbols, but here we have some different numbers with the alt. So suppose if I press alt and 234, so I'm pressing that. Okay, then we will get this kind of symbols. Then alt and 241, so we are getting plus and minus sign both. Then alt 0189, so we are getting 1 upon 2. Same way alt 240, we are getting 3 times that sign dash. Okay, alt and 251, so we are getting tick mark sign. Then alt and 230, we are getting mu or microprocessor like. Then alt and 0188. Okay, alt 0188. So we are getting 1 upon 4. And last one alt 0190. So we are getting 3 upon 4. So this is how you can quickly use these symbols using the shortcut keys. Thank you everyone.